Ismael Fajardo.
Tobias, el Pitbull, Reyes.
Another left hand, big left hand again. There he punches down with the glove. It was a knockdown. The referee did it. Beautiful left hand.
Usapang boxing, palitan ng mga malalakas na kamao.
Isang malaking laban ang mapapanood ng mga Pinoy boxing fans dahil ang Pinoy na nagmula sa angkan ng matatapang sa Mindanao ay magbabalik aksyon. Kilalanin ang silent assassin, Miel Fajardo, 13 wins, 11 knockouts, 3 losses. Isang IBF Pan-Pacific Flyweight Champion matapos pabagsakin ang dating kampeon na si Esneth Domingo.
Lamang siya.
Oh! Down goes! Down goes Domingo! Natayo ka agad ni si Esneth Domingo, but that might...
Pero para kay Fajardo, hindi pa tapos ang kwento. Dahil ngayon, dumating na ang pagkakataon na magdadala sa kanya sa World Title Stage. IBF Title Eliminator. Isang laban, isang hakbang na lang papunta sa World Championship. Sa kabilang sulok, isang tunay na knockout artist mula Argentina, Tobias Jeremias Reyes, kilalang El Pitbull, 18 wins, 1 loss, 16 knockouts. Ibig sabihin, kapag tumama ang kamao niya, may bumabagsak, agresibo, mapanganib, at walang kinatatakutan. Isang fighter na hindi nagdadalawang isip na makipagpalitan ng suntok. Pero bago ang lahat, balikan natin ang laban na nagpatunay kung sino si Fajardo.
Another left hand, big left hand again. There he punches down with the glove. It was a knockdown. The referee.
Binabastos at minamaliit sa pagtawag pa lang ng pangalan dahil walang naniniwala na mananalo ang Pinoy.
Ismael Fajardo!
Ganyan tratuhin ang mandirigmang Pinoy na sinabi nilang pampataba lamang. Ngunit hindi dito pumapayag si Kabayan na hindi makaganti 4 na beses pinabagsak ang kanilang undefeated champion. Sa isang banyagang lupa, nakatapat ni Fajardo ang undefeated champion, ang bata ng promotion head na si Bob Arum, na si Agustino Mauro Gauto. Dala ang 17 wins, 13 dito ay knockouts at walang talo at alaga ng multi-division world champion na si Marcos Maidana. Para sa marami, wala lang si Fajardo. Underdog, pampataba sa record. Kaya nag-aabang ang mga fans sa pagbagsak ng Pinoy. Pero sa gabing iyon, nagbago ang lahat. Pagpatak pa lang ng unang round, sumabog ang aksyon.
He might feel he's hurting with one of those body shots because he's really getting on it here, Fajardo.
To the belly. Right, that nice jab to the head. Still there, doing as well with the second attack. Your left hook there, doing as well with the second attack. Shot, hard there, left uppercut, left hook.
A lot of the head there from Gauto. They both land at the same time. He's having a good opening round here. It's a Pino fighter. He's already turning into a good fight. Right hand there from Gauto.
Better for Goldu, you got to let his hand talk. Good body shot yourself there, Goldu, the left hook.
Beautiful left hand there from Fajardo. And that is putting
At sa isang iglap, isang malinis na kaliwa, diretso, eksakto. Bumagsak si Gauto. Tumayo pa pero nagulat kung saan nanggaling ang lakas ng minaliit na Pinoy.
hard onto his back there, Gauto. Will it be enough as we look at the replay?
I don't think it will be.
Hindi tumigil si Fajardo. Sunod-sunod na atake. Mabilis, mabigat, walang preno, muling bumagsak ang Argentinian. Nasagip lang ng bell. Sa round 2, sinubukang bumawi ni Gauto na suportado ng mga fans, ngunit naging maingat si Fajardo at nag-aabang ng magandang tiyempo.
That's knees, a close touchdown as well. But Fajardo just got to get on top of it.
At nang makita ang pagkakataon, pinakawalan ang solidong suntok. Sunod-sunod na kaliwa. Walang tigil, walang awa. Bumagsak muli si Gauto. Tumayo pa, pero lumambot na ang tuhod.
Again, there he touches down with the glove. It was a knockdown. The referee didn't give it a second.
Mula sa magkasunod na kaliwa ni Fajardo, bagsak ulit si Gauto ngunit nagpakita din ito ng tibay.
Just so fragile in there at the minute. That's the problem. He's letting his own hands go. He's showing a ton of bravery and heart in there. But every time he gets hit clean, he's going to go down. And he's going to get hit clean because he's wide open at times.
What's the referee?
Wide open at times.
What's the referee doing? That would...
Well, the referee's giving him extra time though. He missed the knockdown. There was a touchdown with the double which he missed. And he was put down. Although just looking for that left hook every single time he can throw it, he was throwing it. Dipping low at the waist now, touches down with the glove again and the referee doesn't see it. That's another knockdown.
It's tremendous action, it really is.
It is, it's superb. 1 minute 40. Remaining in round 2.
Oh, shots.
Another big left hand and he's taken those two somehow. He's thrown back himself. It goes down to his knees. More in exhaustion than anything else for the referee.
Mula sa malakas na pinakawalan ni Fajardo, bagsak ulit si Gauto, ngunit nakatayo pa ito at nagpakita ng tapang.
Nothing else, but the referee does count him this time. The corner are looking on there, the Argentinian corner. I don't really know how much more of this I would need to see if I were them. This is a critical stage of his career, of course. He's 17 and
At sa huling buhos, tinapos ng Pinoy Assassin ang laban. Technical knockout. Sa gabing iyon, natahimik ang arena. Kahit si Lolo Bob Arum lumayas na walang paalam, hindi matanggap ang pagbagsak ng kanyang bata sa pampataba na Pinoy. Ngayon ang tanong, may chance kayang mag-world champion si Fajardo? Ilagay lang sa komento ang inyong sagot at isama ang inyong lugar. Para alam natin saan umabot ang suporta ng mga Pinoy sa laban ni Fajardo kontra Reyes para sa IBF Eliminator.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.